When it comes to redefining travel luxury, Mercedes has always been at the forefront, and the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is no exception. This is not just a vehicle, it's a moving piece of art, blending modern engineering with opulent living to create the ultimate road companion. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the sleek design sets it apart. Mercedes has ensured that even though this motorhome is a massive presence on the road, it carries the elegance and refinement you'd expect from the brand. The signature chrome grille, the smooth aerodynamic lines, and the high-end LED lighting give it a premium identity that turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the story of luxury begins to unfold even further. Mercedes has truly focused on creating an interior that feels more like a five-star suite than a vehicle designed for travel. The lounge area greets you with premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. It's designed not just for relaxation, but for making every journey feel effortless and enjoyable. Whether you're watching TV on the large flat-screen display, or simply sinking into the plush seating while the sound system fills the space with music, it's clear that comfort is the top priority here. Moving into the kitchen, the motorhome demonstrates how practical living can still feel elegant. Every surface is finished with high-gloss materials and brushed aluminum accents. You get a full-sized refrigerator, a modern induction cooktop, a convection oven, and plenty of storage space for long road trips. The layout is clever, making it easy to cook even in motion, while still offering the refinement you'd expect from a Mercedes interior. The bathroom continues the theme of sophistication. With a walk-in shower, rainfall showerhead, sleek vanity, and premium fixtures, it feels closer to a luxury hotel spa than what you'd expect in a motorhome. Space is used brilliantly, ensuring that nothing feels cramped, and the details like heated mirrors and ambient lighting truly elevate the experience. The bedroom is another highlight, offering a full king-sized bed with premium bedding, overhead lighting, and integrated smart controls that allow you to adjust everything from the lighting to the climate with a single touch. Mercedes has also added impressive sound insulation, which means even when you're parked at a busy rest area or roadside, you still feel wrapped in peace and quiet. But beyond the luxury, this motorhome is built on Mercedes' reputation for performance and safety. Equipped with advanced driver assist features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a powerful yet efficient diesel engine, it provides confidence on the road. Despite its size, the ride feels smooth, with Mercedes' suspension system soaking up imperfections in the road, and the cockpit designed with intuitive digital displays, making long drives feel less demanding. In essence, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is a statement of what travel can become when comfort, style, and technology meet. It's not just about moving from one destination to another, it's about living every moment of the journey in absolute luxury.